Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. In today's video I am going to share with you a Korean viral skin mask. This mask is very popular nowadays and is very viral on the social media. This mask is actually a Korean girl's secret skin mask that they apply on their skin, and their skin looks very glassy and very glowy and very radiant glow on the skin. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make that mask and how to apply on your skin. So let's get started the video. So this is the chia seed and milk blend mixture that I take 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk, soak them in a milk for 20 minutes and then blend them for 1 to 2 minutes to make this pasty form. Next I'm going to add the almond oil, 3 to 4 drops in here. If you don't have the almond oil, you can use the coconut oil. So 3 to 4 drops. Okay. Next I'm going to add a vitamin E capsule, 1 capsule. Now it's time to mix this. It smells good because of the almond oil. Now it's time to apply on the skin. So I'm going to leave it for 20 to 25 minutes and let it dry all this. Okay, it's been 25 minutes and it's time to remove this mask. I can feel the little bit tighter on my skin. So I'm going to wash this with the lukewarm water. Okay, ji, I wash my face with the lukewarm water. So this is my face. You can see the shine. I will show you by a turn of my ring light. So you can see the shine on my face. This is all about today's video. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned for the next one.